show me how to do this.
Okay, so the battery power's on.
Right.
Ignition's on.
Clutch in.
Neutral.
No,
Just push that button right there.
Okay. Back in the seat of a Honda. All right. Is it super grabby? How much you want for this thing? It's very easy to drive.
Very easy to drive.
Honestly, the R34 was much harder to drive than this was.
Yeah.
Much harder.
They make it that way for the obvious reasons that the simpler the car, the better the race car.
Mm-hmm.
The only complaint I've ever had with this car is that it's so light. The brakes are calibrated so that you don't have a lot of, there's not a lot of depth. It's either the brakes aren't working or you're slamming on the brakes.
Yeah, you just have to push hard,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
it stops.
Right.
No, I thought it'd be like pretty hard to drive, but it's not. It's like driving a Honda.
Like driving on.
There was one guy in a PT Cruiser, a young guy, and he's like, "Oh my God, dude!"
Happens all the time.
All right, one more loop around. You can have this thing back before I take it home with me. I don't want to attract too much attention either. How much do these usually cost? Like 60?
50 new.
50 new?
And you can get them used right now for about 35. I got this one for 39. Like between friends on the track and shit.
Damn, you could put this plate on this thing and drive it on the street for 39 grand. Of course, if it rains, kind of screwed. That VTEC though.
What's that?
That VTEC.
Yeah. Yeah.
Woo! That was crazy. Thank you very much.
No worries, man.
This will make your week. This will make your month. Undo these belts. Oh my god.
Fun car, right?
It is. See if I can freaking get out. Ugh. Man. What is it red line at? 9?
I forgot, 8. I think.
8. I don't know, I was taking it to like 7.
Yeah.
I figured it was a Honda mode. I figured it didn't even start revving out till like 9,000. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that driving point of view video. Now, unfortunately, this particular area, Ariel Atom, is not quite street legal, doesn't have plates on it, so we couldn't exactly take it on the streets and get some reactions, even though that would have been an awesome video. But either way, I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it thoroughly. Definitely the funnest car I've ever driven. Definitely the fastest car I've ever driven. For 230 horsepower, 1,300 pounds, it moves. And you would expect it to move with that power to weight ratio. But I hope you guys enjoyed this point of view video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, check out my other stuff on my channel, subscribe to the channel if you are new. I really appreciate that. And as usual, guys, we will catch you all on the next video. Peace.